What's so funny, TSM?
I know you heard about Tay East, Tay East, Tay East. The food was there when you were around Tay East, Tay East, Tay East. I know you heard about Tay East, Tay East, Tay East. The food was there when you were around Tay East, Tay East, Tay East.
Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back to Tay Eats. If this is your first time, please like, subscribe, and come on back and see your girl. And if you are a returning viewer, thank you, thank you, thank you. You already know I love you. So today, y'all, we have Pete's Chicken Shack, y'all. So I don't know how I'm going to pull this out in front of y'all. But I got the Dirty Bird. It's called the Dirty Bird, y'all. And I really thought this was going to be like a chicken sandwich, but I guess this is not. It's fries, fries with mac and cheese and chicken. And it is the Nashville hot chicken. Yeah, Nashville hot chicken. And I have like some ranch over here on the side. So, how has everybody been doing, y'all? How was everyone's Thanksgiving? I hope everyone had a great Thanksgiving. You know, you guys spent it with family, friends, whatever. Whatever the case may be. So let's try. It got French fries down here at the bottom. Y'all, I went downtown to go get this. I thought it was going to be like a sandwich, though, because I seen that sandwich they had. And I want some chicken, too. They got a big old... I should have got a knife. Oh, let's put some ranch on it, too. This is a good bite. Mmm. Mmm. This is good. The chicken is seasoned really, really good, y'all. I seen this place on Instagram, and I was like, let me check this out. Even though I had just told y'all I don't like going out to eat at places and stuff like that, but y'all, sometimes I don't like cooking, and I be hungry. Okay. Mm. Mm-hmm. Y'all had me cracking up in that pink sauce video. Boy, y'all had me cracking up. I love y'all though because y'all be like, girl, you knew you didn't like that. I don't know why you kept trying. You kept trying to like it. And y'all, I really kept trying to like her sauce. Like, I really did. I don't know why I was really rooting for her, y'all. I was rooting for her. I was rooting for her sauce. And I'm like, yo, like, I really wanted it to work out, but I'm just being honest. That sauce it's not for me. Maybe some of y'all might like it, you know? Maybe some of y'all might like it. But not I. I'm trying to get some macaroni and cheese. Mmm. They ranch is good too. But it's gonna pack on the pounds and I'm trying to lose some weight. Ooh, y'all heard that in my stomach. Let's get some chicken. No. Mmm. Did y'all Black Friday shop? Did y'all go out for Black Friday? Because I went out a little bit, y'all, but I did not get up early in the morning. I was going to. Actually, I was up. I was up to get up, but I did not go. I laid in bed. Sure did. Oh, excuse me. I don't know why I didn't bring nothing to drink. So I went out a little bit. I picked up a few things. And then mostly I did a lot of stuff online, y'all. And I've been hearing that like nobody was really in the lines like that. You know, you didn't really have to fight for anything from what I hear. I'm not sure if it was like that where y'all lived at or anything like that, but it was definitely like that with us. So, yeah. So I did mostly online. I feel like online is just so much better for me. You can be right in your pajamas, honey. Pajamas with a bonnet on. Yo, I really thought this was gonna come as like a hamburger. I mean, like as a chicken sandwich with the macaroni on top. I didn't know it was gonna come with fries. I thought it was gonna be like a burger with the macaroni and stuff like that inside. I didn't think it was gonna be like this. So it's cool though, but I'm really trying. After the holidays, I was trying to avoid like mac and cheese, French fries, like. But how can I talk? Cause I just said I wanted this. I thought the sandwich was gonna come with mac and cheese on it, but y'all know I ain't got it all together. Y'all know I don't. I bet you like what you opening up. I'm opening up some candy right here. I want it. I'm full, y'all. That filled me right on up. Plus, I was snacking in the car. It's a pretty nice spot. I don't know if I get that again unless I'm in the mood for it. But yeah, that was straight. Well, yeah, y'all. Y'all already know I'm not gonna hold you, okay? So, thank you for watching. Thank you for subbing to your girl. And I will see y'all in the next one. Peace.